I don't want any parents to be around.
There's no parents. What are they gonna do?
No, I don't have a gun. I don't carry guns. Only my dad does. No. Here's my number. Wait. Do you have your phone? I'm gonna give it to you.
Yeah.
Well, you need to get your phone.
So I had a piece of paper.
No, I don't have a pen.
Yeah, I got pen. You better not drive with my pen either.
I don't-
It's a marker.
I don't put that in.